The UAE, a civilization miracle, a state that lived a story of transformation, a story of struggle and success. A story began with a dream born in the minds of a generation of men that were known for courage, strength, and allegiance. They were inspired by the thought and the spirit of the late Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, who realized the importance of history in the lives of his people. Since 1968, the National Archives has been the source of the oldest documents and archives in the Arabian Gulf, and the keeper of thousands of visual, written, and oral documents and records of the UAE and the region. Starting from the Portuguese, the Dutch, and the British eras, then the early stages of the Union, up until the Union of the Seven Emirates came into existence, there was a need for an entity like the National Archives in order to preserve the heritage and the national memory and to educate the citizens and the people of the world about the history of the UAE and its past and present contributions. The National Archive has established itself as the most important body that offers knowledge on the UAE history and heritage, thus becoming the approved national entity concerned with preserving the archival records of the UAE. Located in the heart of the city of Abu Dhabi, the National Archives headquarters contains 11 international archives that include documents, maps, and photographs from the oldest and most important international archival repositories. Two prominent halls in the National Archives are the Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Auditorium with 700 seats, available for visiting students, journalists, researchers, and others. There is also the Emirates Library, with its rich sources, references, research papers, studies, and books that facilitate conducting research and discussing the challenges of the past and expected successes in the future. The National Archives communicates with various entities to enrich its archival content through collecting relevant material from different countries and to develop the government archiving system. It also organizes exhibitions, conferences, and workshops, and participates in all archival events and promotes awareness of the importance of archiving in the region. Memory is the pathway to build a nation and enlighten the future generations. As the National Archive is the memory of the nation, it is a unique destination for anyone who wishes to understand the roots, the identity, and the authenticity of the UAE, and to explore the extent of its power and its cultural and civilizational richness.